Atta girl. Go the other way. Hold it.
Oh, wait.
Go ahead. Keep folding. Keep going. Oh, it's so strenuous.
I like to do it.
Well, go ahead. All right. No, ma'am. I caught you before you got it in there. Fold it. Pull it in. Strenuous stuff. Ready?
Ready.
How come I'm the one doing this? Fold it.
Oh.
Okay. Want to get the pan?
What?
You want to get the pan or shall I? I'll get it.
I'll get it.
It's a little heavy for you, baby.
It was pretty amusing watching her carry it over though. Wait, baby.
Oh.
Ready? Look it up. Tear it in half. Dunk it in the flour. Tear it in half again. Dunk it in the flour. Tear that one in half and dunk it in the flour. Shape them. There you go.
Thank you.
Flatten it out. Can you tear it in half?
Yeah, sure.
Tear a chunk off. There we go. Dunk it in the flour. Dump the wet part in the flour. Amy's going to be so excited.
Amy's going to be so excited about the biscuit. He will be so excited.
Roll it up. Roll it up. Okay.
Looks like a flower.
Yep, it looks like a flower.
Now we turn the oven on.
No, Lisa, don't smush them down.
There.
Now we can set these right up here and warm.